Hi everyone, welcome to Dancing with Jamile. Today, my next step in the creative process is tweaking the choreography that I have so far. I'm gonna be doing some changes. So, let's do this. You might be wondering, why am I not using the music right now? Because I want the movements to speak for themselves. I want, even though we have a beat in the music, as you heard it last time, I want to be independent of the music. Okay, so the first thing I thought I would do is to take here, the original version was a bit like faster here, straight away. So I want to do first slow and then fast, to bring a bit of more mystery to the choreography. Okay, let's do that. And then I come here, and from here what I want to do is go from a développé to a passé, and then bring a bit of more sexiness to the following steps. So I just take it directly from here, and I'm gonna go to the développé, and that's nice, no? And then from here I want to take sexy and more flowy to then go, this I like. I keep that. Then I go to the back, and here, originally I was gonna take just attitude. What I wanna do is play with the arms, so take first this arm and then that arm. So I just take a few steps, and then I go with this and this. I can do it smoother, I know. This and this, okay. So, yeah. And then from there, go directly to this one. No changes here. And then from here, I had these arms. And from here, take it directly, no pause. This is something I have to clean more, but I think I'm happy. So from here, and then I just go, boom, and from there. And my finish is this. That's my ending of the pirouette. This I will keep. Here I just have to bring more flow. And here I can take my time. And this stays as it is. I'm just marking through. And to end up here, I want to do a change. So from here, I want to go. This stays sexy, and then from here I take here. Originally I was going to this diagonal. I think I can do something more interesting. So I'm gonna take it from here, and then I'm gonna do that, the emboîtes. And here, change it, yeah. And then from here, instead of going diagonal back again, I want to do a manège. Let's see what comes. I'm improvising. So I'll do like PK, PK, double, Change, maybe a jump. Okay, I'll do it now together with the music to see what fits. It's okay to be inspired by the music, don't you think? So, okay guys, I hope you're ready because I am. Oh, okay, so let me know in the comments what you think. I'm gonna play it again, putting the recording I used last time. So the first time the music and the choreography were meeting together, and then parallel to what I just did for you to compare. And I'm also gonna look at it. I'm sure it will continue evolving. And let's see where this continues to go. I'll see you next time in this series of sharing my creation process with you all. If you are interested, come in February 20th and 21st of February to Societet's Theater Dresden. That's where we have our premiere of King Lear Variations. It is a production from the Slogans Company.